Hey guys, this is GK from TechPP.com reporting in live from MWC 2018. Earlier today, Asus launched a bunch of phones in the all-new 2018 series called the ZenFone 5 series, and the starting range in that family is the ZenFone 5 Lite. Coming up next on TechPP.com, the first impressions of the ZenFone 5 Lite. We're starting to see a trend here. Back in the day, a Lite variant would be a dumbed-down spec version of the powerful cousins of the flagship phones. But now, the companies have started to give the Lite a new meaning. Shiny, glossy, glassy phones aimed at beautifying. The 5 Lite is no different. You'd instantly be reminded of the Honor 7 Lite when you see this. While the ZenFone 3 series felt heavy, sturdy, this one is much lighter. Coming in at 5.7-inch display, it's a phone that has an 18:9 aspect ratio. The power button on the right and the volume rockers are well built. A SIM tray sits on the left, a micro USB, yes, you heard that right, a micro USB at the bottom with a pair of speaker grill and the mic. On the back of the phone is a dual camera setup with LED flash, and on the front, the dual camera setup with a flash set as well. Under the hood is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 630 processor coupled with 3 or 4 GB of RAM or 32 or 64 GB of internal memory depending on where you're purchasing this phone from. The 630 processor is optimized to provide a good battery backup. We'll see how it performs. The phone runs on Zen UI that is built off of Android Nougat. Yes, which is a surprise again in a sad way. Asus has decided to strip off all the in-house built apps for which Google already caters to, such as the Google Board, the Google Music app, the messaging app gallery, and so on. Facebook and Instagram are some of the only third-party apps that you can find here. Though we spent a little time with the phone, it seemed to be snappy enough. We'll see how this goes. The key highlight of the phone is a set of 4 cameras, a pair of 20 and 8 megapixel on the front with a flash, and 16 megapixel and 8 megapixel on the back with a flash as well. Both camera have a key highlight, which is the wide angle mode. We'll see how this works. The phone was running on a pre-production software, so we'll see how this goes in our detailed tests. The ZenFone 5 Lite may be one of the first phones in the ZenFone 5 family to arrive in India. The pricing and the availability is not yet known, but we expect this to come sooner than later. Stay tuned for more updates from MWC, guys. Do hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified about more interesting updates as we go. Until next time, may the tech be with you.